Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Drums is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding gifts you can give your child aged 8 to 12, fostering their creativity, musicality, and hand-eye coordination, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the perfect drum set for your young musician, ensuring a fun and enriching musical journey. Number 5. Best Choice Products Kids Drum Set. It's the perfect size for children 3 and up. It has everything a beginner needs to start making music. The carefully crafted wood shells create a rich and resonant sound. They're built to last and sound great. All the hardware is included, and it's easy to put together. You only need one drum key for final adjustments. The smooth finish is easy to clean and helps keep it looking and sounding its best for years to come. This set has everything your child needs: 2 toms, a bass drum, cymbal, sticks, pedal, and a comfortable stool. Get ready for hours of fun. With its 22L x 29H dimensions, it's the perfect size for little musicians to start their musical journey. Let the music begin. What we like. It boasts all wood shells for a warm, dynamic tone and includes all necessary accessories. If you're looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-assemble drum set to get started, this is the perfect choice for your young musician. It's ideal for beginners who want a complete kit without extra costs. What people say. Very durable, although the foot pedal has to be treated with kindness. It's clearly a basic kit, sans hi-hat, actual snare, but it is built surprisingly well, especially at this price point. The drum set is very sturdy and well made. The sound is very good, just like a more expensive drum set. It's not too small and he can grow into it. Number 4. Donner 5-Piece Junior Drum Kit. This junior drum kit is ideal for children aged 5 to 12. It includes everything they need to start their musical journey, fostering creativity and rhythm. It boasts high-strength poplar wood shells for uniform vibration and loud sound. The 6-ear structure ensures superior skin tension and vibration. The set comes with a sturdy adjustable throne, drumsticks for both kids and adults, and all the necessary hardware. Everything is included for immediate play. It arrives unassembled for easy transport, but don't worry. A detailed video guide makes setup quick and straightforward. The triangular base and rubber feet provide excellent stability. The sturdy brackets keep everything balanced, ensuring a confident playing experience. What we like. This kit is made of high-quality poplar wood, offering superior sound and durability. It's a 5-piece set, providing more versatility for young drummers. If you prioritize sound quality and stability, this is the one for you. The sturdy design ensures it can withstand enthusiastic playing sessions. What people say. It's got great sound. It was easy to set up and it fits my son perfect. It took 2 hours to put the set together, but it far exceeds my expectations. My grandson, who is 5 years old now, states he wants to be a drummer when he grows up. I love watching the videos of him practicing and can't get over the fact he now knows to bang the drumsticks over his head. 1, 2, 3, let's go. This product was a gift for my autistic child who loves music. When it arrived in its box I was nervous about assembly, but the instructions were very clear. The pieces went together very well and has upheld through drastic play. My child plays with it daily and the drum heads have held up, no cracking, no denting. The cymbals have been played with heavily as well, no cracks, no dents. Highly recommend for any child who loves music. Number 3. Musicality 3-Piece Kids Drum Set. It's a Real drum set, sized just right for little hands. It's everything they need to start making a joyful noise. Unlike toy drums, it's made of real wood and metal for an authentic sound and feel. It's built to last through countless jam sessions. It even has a bass drum with a pedal, just like the pros. It's designed for stability and precision, so they can play with confidence. The adjustable throne ensures comfortable playing for hours. They can play as long as their heart desires. Drumsticks and everything else are included. It has everything your young musician needs to get started right away. Get ready for hours of fun and musical exploration. It's the perfect gift for any aspiring drummer. What we like. It's made from high-quality wood, metal, and tunable skins, ensuring authentic sound and feel. The adjustable throne ensures comfortable playing sessions. If you want a real instrument with all the essentials for your child to enjoy extended practice, this is a great option. What people say. Love the quality of the drums. The grandchildren have had a blast with the set and I am impressed with their rhythm. Really impressed by how it looks, feels and sounds. Did not expect this level of quality for the price. It will have a long time of use, as my 3-year-old grandson just loves to express himself musically. Great little beginner kit. I thought it would be more of a toy, but I was pleasantly surprised. Super easy to assemble and the quality is very good for a child's kit. The skins aren't meant for hammering on by an adult but perfect for a child. Sounds great and the quality is very good too. Number 2. Best Choice Products Kids Drum Set. It's the ideal size for kids between 2.5 and 5 feet tall. They can start learning early and easily transition to a full-size drum set later on. The drums are made of wood, creating a beautiful and dynamic sound. It also looks great in any room. This complete set has everything needed to start playing immediately. Drums, cymbals, stool, and sticks are all included. The shiny finish is not only stylish, but it also protects it from damage. It will look great for years to come. Introducing children to music early is beneficial for their development. It's a fun way to learn rhythm and music fundamentals. With dimensions of 22L x 16W x 33H inches, it's perfectly sized for young musicians. Get ready to make some noise. What we like. Made with all wood shells for rich tone, this all-inclusive set comes with everything needed to start playing right away. If you need a perfectly sized drum kit for younger children to learn and grow with, this is a great choice. It's designed to transition smoothly to a full-sized kit later on. What people say. Decent quality, good sound. Perfect for my 10-year-old daughter. The pieces are a good size for small hands, the sound is clear and resistant, and the quality of the materials is noticeable from the first hit. We assembled it without complications and it comes with everything necessary to start playing immediately. We bought this drum set for our 2.5-year-old granddaughter. Oh my goodness, she picked up the sticks correctly and started to play. Our friend that was a drummer in the day came over to coach her and was very impressed with the quality. Number 1. Pyle Kids Drum Set. It's the perfect gift for aspiring drummers aged 5 to 12. It's also great for younger children, with adjustable features to ensure a comfortable fit. This drum set has a cool metallic finish that will make any child feel like a rock star. It looks great in any room, too. It includes everything your child needs to start playing: a bass drum, snare, tom, cymbal, and foot pedal. Everything is sized perfectly for little hands. The adjustable seat ensures a perfect fit, and the lightweight drumsticks are easy for small hands to handle. The silencing pads let them play quietly. This drum set is quick and easy to assemble. Just follow the instructions, and your child will be playing in minutes. What we like. This drum set has a cool metallic finish that kids will love, and it includes an adjustable throne and mutes for quiet practice. If you are looking for a stylish and versatile kit that allows for both loud and quiet play, this is perfect for your young drummer. The mutes are especially useful for apartment living. What people say. Really amazed at the quality of this kit. Bought this for my 3 and 5-year-old who wanted to start a band. Spent a few minutes tuning the heads and it plays like an entry-level PDP LMAO. The size is perfect, even my 3-year-old has an easy time getting around it. It's a small drum set but the materials and construction are solid. It's a great size to fit in a kid's bedroom. It's great for my 10-year-old but maybe a little small for him before too long. It was really easy to set up, the hardware is very similar to a standard drum kit. I like that it has everything you need along with it. The drum pads help keep the volume down. I purchased this drum set for my 10-year-old son and I was absolutely shocked upon opening the package. First of all, everything is packed very well and very easy to assemble. The drum set appears to be made of good quality and it's the perfect size for my son. I was actually playing on it myself with no issues with the size. This set is very durable and the sound is wonderful as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.